Hello, and welcome to another video from Windowparts. Today we will be showing you a tutorial on how to fit our Flexi Window Espag and our Flexi window handle. First off, take the instructions out of the bag and place them on a nice flat surface in front of you. Do the same with the window handle and the bag that will attach to your Espag. Inside the bag with the Espag, you should have one gearbox and 8 clips. First off, take the 4 silver clips and place them in the places pointed out in this video. For further explanation, one at either end of the gearbox and one either side of the rectangular hole in the middle. Once you have these placed, grab the 4 black clips and just clip them together. This should be quite easy to do with your hands. When fitting these, make sure that if you're fitting your Espag into the Euro groove, have the silver clips in the wider position. Now we will fit our gearbox into the hole in the window. Make sure that the gearbox is operating the way you will need it to operate so that your handle can open and close effectively. The gearbox will only operate one way, so before placing this in, please make sure to check this. If it's not working the way you need it to, just take it out and swap it around the other way. Grab your window handle and the 4 spindles that come with the handle, empty the spindles out and find the correct size for your handle and just slot it into your handle with a simple push. Then move your handle into the open position, line it up with your gearbox with the square peg going inside the gearbox. And then taking the 2 screws that would have come with your original handle, screw the handle into the gearbox using a crosshead screwdriver or a drill. Once this is done, take your Espag and place it onto the window with the small rectangular hole in the middle going onto the peg sitting on the gearbox. Once you've done this, just give it a quick check to make sure everything's working okay. And then once this is done, we can proceed with screwing it in. 4 screws, roughly about 25mm long. Ideally, if you can get self-tapping screws, 3.9s or 4mm self-tapping screws that are 25mm long should suffice. Once you have these screws, screw these through the 4 clips on the Espag. This will then fix the Espag onto the window. And that concludes the tutorial for the Flexi Window Espag and Flexi window handle. Thank you for watching.